Hello and welcome to another WSCAD tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your personal settings from one PC to another PC, or how to transfer settings from a previous version of WSCAD. You can do all this via the Configuration Settings menu item. To do this, go to Tools, Configuration Settings. The configuration settings are toolbars and workspaces which have been predefined, changed, or newly created, or settings that can be found under Tools, Settings options, where user-specific or program-specific settings have also been made, such as directories, colors, evaluations, texts, or similar. It is not possible to import workspaces from the previous version of WSCAD, as the code for the program interface has been changed. It is also important to note that if you have opened a project, project-specific settings are also saved. If you only want to export user-specific and program-specific settings, no project must be open. You can find out which settings are program, project, and user-specific in the help. Configuration settings can also only be imported if they have previously been saved on another PC or on a previous version of WSCAD. To do this, go to Tools, Configuration Settings, Export, and export your current settings first. The wizard for exporting the configuration settings opens, and here you can specify the name and storage location of the target file. By default, the settings folder in the WSCAD data directory is suggested. Click Finish to export the settings. The configuration settings have now been exported successfully. To import, navigate back to Tools, Configuration Settings, and can now import the settings again. When importing, first select the settings file that you have saved and confirm once with the tick. You can then go to Next and can either import all settings. You can also set user-defined settings, which command bars, workspaces, or settings should be adopted or imported. You can also specify that only specific settings, such as the directories, should be imported. Then click on Finish, and your settings have been successfully imported. When importing workspaces and command bars, the software requires a restart. However, if you are only importing settings, the software does not require this. You also have the option of resetting the configuration files completely. When resetting, the default settings that are available directly after the initial setup are imported. As with the import, the current settings are also overwritten.